Welcome to our review and unboxing of the Acer Chromebook 314. Today, we're going to find out whether it's the dream laptop that everyone's been hoping for, and who's a Chromebook for anyway. But before we get to the unboxing and review, make sure you subscribe, tap that notification bell so you don't miss any of their videos when they go live. Now, to the unboxing. So let's unbox the Acer Chromebook 314. So it's pretty basic, to be fair. Minus the cardboard, of course. You get a power lead, which I will quickly open here. The old kettle style lead as well. So you've got your plug, and then you've got your connector point. Pretty standard. The other side, you do get a power block as well. To be fair, it's reasonably sized, with like your normal kettle lead style, and then your USB-C for your charging, which is very convenient. Excellent stuff. Other than that, more cardboard, as you'd expect. You can get rid of all this in a second. You've got your step-by-step setup guide, warranty information, blah, boring stuff. So we'll drop that off. Let's have a look at the Chromebook itself. So around the sides, you have across here, you've got your USB-A, USB-C, and a Kingston key lock, pretty standard. On the other side, you've got your headphone jack, micro SD card, USB-A, and USB-C for power as well. Expect for something that will cost less than $300. Build quality isn't exactly what you'd call premium. However, let's have a look at the insides, things like the keyboard and the screen resolution of the Chromebook. First off, keyboard. Good tactile feedback. They do feel quite plasticky, the keys as well. And I have actually set up the Chromebook in advance, so this is why it's booted up really quickly. However, I did want to demonstrate the boot up time, so I'm going to power it off for the time being and give you an idea of how quick the boot up time is. So if I go ahead and power that on now, it should boot up pretty instantly. One advantage you do have with the Chromebook, it is web-based predominantly, so there's very little software actually on the actual Chromebook itself. So in terms of things like updates and security, it's pretty nippy, and yeah, pretty much there you go, you're in the login screen already, and obviously that's me signed in. So yeah, it's pretty quick to get you to here. Obviously, if you've got an account set up, it's gonna ask for a password, but beyond this, you can browse it as a guest as well. So if I just pop in my password, popped in here and you signed into your account, this is effectively Chrome OS. Very, very basic. So you've got just your 6 effective icons at the bottom, and then your menu function is on the left-hand side, very similar to Windows. Click the up arrow and that gets you into the main menu itself. Now I did want to demonstrate a game to you. I downloaded Call of Duty and I downloaded Asphalt 9. Both did not work at all. They effectively just kept crashing and kept coming up with loads and loads of errors. So if you're looking for something for gaming, probably avoid a Chromebook, to be fair. It's not for that. And the specs actually are just up here for the actual Chromebook itself. So I'll give you an idea of what you're looking at if you are a power user, what you'll be getting if you were to buy this Chromebook. It is a full 1080p HD screen, so that is peak brightness right there. Now I wanted to demonstrate a video playback as well of it. So I've normally got a bit of a favorite video myself, so I'm just gonna boot that up for you guys. It's for some private reason. I can never afford this car, but it's good to look at anyway regardless. And this will also give us an idea on sound as well. So this is a video of a Bugatti Chiron, so maxing out. So let's, boot up time's pretty quick, to be fair. Sound quality. Actually, sound quality is actually really good, surprisingly, for something so cheap. I use a MacBook day to day, and I gotta admit, that's actually pretty good sound quality. And what's more impressive, that loaded a full HD video in a matter of seconds. That was incredibly quick, actually. Quite a bit surprised by that. Wasn't expecting that for something so low powered, but I guess with using YouTube and it being Chrome OS, it's optimized to obviously run a lot faster in the background, perhaps. But yeah, that was very impressive. We wanted to test was the actual internet speed that the Chromebook can actually output. So I currently get 100 megabits per second internet speed just in terms of a download through my provider, and upload speeds tend to vary differently. But to be fair, for a Chromebook that's quite underpowered, that is actually really impressive. I'm getting more than actual speed, which is a bit of an anomaly, but yeah, that's pretty amazing. We're looking at upload speeds. So look, yeah, 10 meg. It's not great to be fair, but it's good enough. Ping is decent as well, 26 milliseconds. Yeah, that's pretty impressive. Wasn't expecting that as well. This is probably outperforming my expectations for complete transparency. But it's an excellent win-win for anyone who's looking for a Chromebook or a laptop that on the cheap. It's really good performance-wise, so far so good. So let's talk about some of the limitations of the Chromebook itself. The limitations you do have with a Chromebook, unfortunately, is if you are video editing or photo editing or doing anything strenuous, this isn't exactly going to be for you, because if you can't find the software in the Play Store or in the Chrome Web Store, which is just inside the menu itself, in the bottom bit here, there you go, it's not available. There are tutorials online how you can sort of, I guess, hack to an extent, or sort of backload in other software to it so you can get things like Adobe Premiere Pro, etc., but it's not optimized for the Chromebook. That's one downside. The other downside is you're limited, 64 gigs of storage on here, as you saw earlier with the spec breakdown. So if you are looking for something that has a lot more onboard storage, it doesn't. However, everything is stored online. So things like Google Docs, Sheets and Slides, so that's your Word, Excel, PowerPoint, effectively versions, they're all Google versions, they're stored online. So compatibility is fine, it'll work with Word and Excel, etc. But if you're focused on getting Office, not going to work, you're going to have to get an online version of Office as well. So as you'd expect, $300, there are going to be some limitations. You can't get everything for that kind of a price. But overall, if you are in the market for a laptop for your basic things, web browsing, things like Netflix, YouTube, or document creating, the Chromebook may well be a good option for you, to be fair, and it's something to definitely consider. And that's a review of the Acer Chromebook. Thank you for watching. Make sure to subscribe, tap that notification bell so you never miss any posts when they go live, smash that like button, and comment below what you'd like to see. Until then, we out.